Let me ask you something honest. How long have you been doing affiliate marketing? A few months? Maybe a year or two? And how much have you actually made? Because if you're like most affiliates I talk to, you're working hard, you're promoting offers, you're driving traffic, but the commissions just don't match the effort. And deep down, you already know why. It's because you're on the wrong side of the transaction. You are building someone else's dream. Every click you send, every lead you generate, every sale you push through, the vendor keeps the lion's share. You get $20, maybe $50. They pocket $500. That's the game you've been playing. And today I want to show you a different one. I've been in the digital product space on Digistore 24 for a while now, and the single biggest shift that changed everything was the day I stopped being an affiliate and became a vendor. Not because of some secret strategy, not because of any special skill, but because I had a complete offer ready to go, and affiliates started promoting it for me. Suddenly, I wasn't the one driving traffic. Other people were driving traffic to my product. Hundreds of affiliates promoting my offer, sending buyers to my checkout page. And I was collecting vendor commissions on every single sale. That's leverage, real leverage. And that is exactly what I want to help you set up today. Now, I know what you might be thinking. You're thinking, okay, that sounds great, but I don't know how to create a product. Or I wouldn't even know where to start with a sales page. Or I have no idea how to make a video sales letter. I hear you. I've heard that from hundreds of people. And that is precisely why I created this done-for-you service. Because not everyone has the time, the skills, or the bandwidth to build a full vendor setup from scratch. But everyone deserves to be on the right side of the money. So here's what we do for you. First, we create your digital product, a fully written, professionally formatted PDF product in a proven niche that sells on Digistore 24. We research what's converting right now, we identify the right angle, and we build you a product that people actually want to buy. You don't write a single word. Second, we build your sales page. Not a basic template, a real high-converting sales page with a headline that stops scrollers, bullet points that hit pain points, and a clear call to action that drives buyers to your checkout. Written by us, designed for conversion. Third, we write your video sales letter script. The VSL is what sits at the top of your sales page and does the heavy lifting. It builds trust, creates desire, and moves people from curious to convinced. We write the full script, so all you have to do is record it or hand it to a voiceover artist if you prefer. And fourth, we give you 4 done-for-you PDF bonuses to stack on top of your offer. Because buyers on Digistore 24 don't just buy products, they buy value stacks. The more you stack, the higher your conversions. So we give you 4 ready-made bonuses, each one tailored to your niche, that make your offer almost impossible to say no to. Let me paint a picture of what this looks like once it's live. You have a complete product, you have a converting sales page, you have a VSL running at the top, you have 4 bonuses stacked in. You list your offer on Digistore 24's marketplace. Affiliates find it. Affiliates start promoting it. And you start seeing sales come in from traffic you didn't have to generate yourself. That is the vendor model. And once you experience it, you will never go back to grinding for affiliate commissions again. Now let's talk about what this would cost you to put together on your own. If you hired a freelance copywriter just for the sales page, you'd be looking at anywhere from $500 to $1,000. The VSL script alone? Another $500 to $600 from a decent writer. The product creation? If you outsource that to a quality ghostwriter, add another $500. And the bonuses on top of that. We're talking well over $2,000 to build this out the right way. And that's before you factor in your time, the back and forth, the revisions, the frustration. I've done all of that so you don't have to. And I'm making this entire package available to you today for just $297. $297, one time. No subscriptions, no hidden upsells to access what's on this page. Just a complete done-for-you, vendor setup delivered straight to your inbox. Here's exactly how it works. You click the button on this page and complete your payment through our secure checkout. After payment, you'll receive a short onboarding form. It takes about 5 minutes, where you tell us your preferred niche and any details about your target audience. We get to work. Turnaround is typically 5 to 10 business days. And then you receive your complete vendor package, product, sales page, VSL script, and all 4 bonuses delivered directly to your email. You take those files, you list your product on Digistore 24, and you open your doors to affiliates. That's it. Now let me address something directly. Maybe you've tried things before that didn't work. Maybe you've spent money on courses, tools, or services that promised big results and delivered nothing. I get it, that skepticism is healthy. So let me be straight with you about what this is and what this isn't. This is not a magic button. You still need to list your product correctly. You still need to set your commission rate to attract affiliates. You still need to put in the work on the back end. But what this does is remove the biggest barrier, the creation work, so that you can actually take action instead of staying stuck. We deliver, you launch, that's the deal. And if we don't deliver everything promised, you get your money back. Full stop. So, let me ask you the same question I asked at the start. How long have you been grinding on the wrong side of this business? Because the people making real, consistent money on Digistore 24, they're not the affiliates. They're the vendors. And you could be one of them. Today, for $297. Click the button below right now, complete your payment, and let's build your vendor business together. I'll see you on the inside.